Good morning and happy Valentine's Day. And this is Aiden's first Valentine and Tanya's over here.
Our first Valentine together.
Yes, and I am of course looking, I don't know how. Marvel is over here. You guys are seeing us after such a long time, finally doing a normal vlog. Because it's been crazy, as you can understand. But today is a Valentine's Day and we got plans to take you guys on along with us. So let me tell you what the plans are. We are having a Valentine dinner with Yashu and Ashley. And we are having a fondue night.
Melting pot at home,
basically. Yeah, melting pot at home. So we are gonna show you guys how we are making everything. We have divided the grocery list and like purchased some items. We have purchased some items they are getting. And this little guy is over here. Let me show you. This little guy is over here. Aiden. Hi. 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 Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Are you saying hello to your subscribers? Are you saying hello to your viewers? Yeah. Yes. Wow. I can do that all day, so hopefully you do not want that in the vlog for all day. But Marvel's toy basket is right here. This little guy is here and he keeps taking one toy at a time. He's hoping that his baby brother will start playing with him soon, but there is still time. Yes, Marvel? Baby brother is not playing with you. See? And for breakfast, it's already 10:30 actually. For breakfast we are making pohe in here and some coffee which Tanya is making here. So that is what is going on this morning. I have been doing some editing and Tanya called me to help her a little with the baby because he is taking bath. He is supposed to sit here. Marvel, out. Marvel. Marvel. And here he is taking a bath. Hi, Nan. Hi. Are you taking a bath? Hi. Yes. He enjoys bath time for the most part, I would say.
Yeah.
There are few things that he doesn't like. We are giving him bath here, and then he's gonna feed and sleep for some time so we can get few things done around this house.
Come on.
Tanya just put the baby down and she is taking care of the kitchen work while I'm finishing some editing. And then after that, I gotta take a shower, get ready, go out. That's the plan. I am done with my editing and the baby is sleeping. So we are doing some work. Actually, Tanya and I, we were just... Look what she's doing downstairs.
Some snacks.
And that is a very good tip. She's gonna make it and she's gonna do a recipe for you guys sometime soon because we are addicted to this.
Yeah.
So I was telling you what we are doing. We were installing the bidet in the bathroom because mom and dad are coming. Tanya's mom and dad are coming next week. So obviously when everybody comes from India, they are not used to the Western toilet paper thing. So we bought the bidet and we just installed it in our in the guest room so they can be comfortable wiping their ass. So anyways, we are having a little snack here and then I think, what time is it? 3 o'clock. It's almost 3 o'clock. I have to do some installation in the gym, but I'm scared that I'll wake Aiden up if I use the drill. So let's see, we are gonna do this, maybe watch a little TV because it feels like there's no baby in the house right now, to be honest. It's so calm and quiet. and then within an hour or so I gotta groom myself and leave for the Valentine's Day dinner. We are going crazy in the house. I just tried drinking from this bottle. This basically is 0 month plus, so this has a very slow flow nipple, and I was like, Tanya, having to try this, and she was like, we're never gonna get our thirst.
Like, before throwing it, let's try it, and even try it with marble.
So I'm gonna try this with marble. Marble. Here, baby. What you do? You wanna drink it? Babu. Babu, that's not how it is gonna work. Oh my goodness. Oh. Finally, I look like a human being. I'm ready, and my t-shirt says, I would love to, but my dog said no. So anyways, I'm taking Marvel out. Tanya is feeding the baby right now. So before we leave, we try to always feed him so that he does not get fuzzy at all in the car or as soon as we reach somebody's place. At Yeshu Ashley's place, we anyways like end up feeding him there as needed. But right now, this little champ is waiting on me, so I'm gonna take him outside, and we are probably gonna see you guys at Yeshu and Ashley's place. We are ready to go out. Aiden! Aiden! Hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Happy Valentine's Day! Yes, I know. His outfit is, let me show you. I'm totally huggable with his first Valentine's Day baby bib given by his aunt, knitted socks and bear pants. Is it a bear or a dog? You guys tell me. I can't tell. And he is ready to be tucked in and go. Yes, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah. Are you happy? You happy? Alright. Alright guys, we are running late, so we are heading out. We have to go to Target, pick few things, and then head to the way. He's gonna get fuzzy if he stays in there. So we are gonna see you with our Valentine's Day dinner night. Okay, so we are here and after a very long time, and there are Valentine preparations going on. Let me show you and let's meet the kids. So, I have no idea what's going on, but there's a lot of food over here. These are all kind of dipping sauces, she says. We have all kind of dipping stuff going on here.
No, this is meat.
Right, but the meat that you will dip, right? And then we have all kind of bread and brownies and breados, some kind of stuff in here, mushroom and scallions. Something is over here. I think this is cheese. This is gyozas, momos, and then there are crispies and the brownies. And who's this? Yay! Huh?
He's crying, take him out.
And he's awake.
Oh, is it?
Alright, yes. And Astro is trying to figure out Aiden. Astro! Babu! And he's awake, so we are gonna take care of him. Here he is having his 3 courses of meal every hour. Milk. And this is our setup. Look at that! This is our first course with all this stuff. Just like melting pot.
Yes.
We dip it and eat it.
He's excited for the chocolate one.
Oh, that's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's our first course of meal. If you guys wanna know what is in there, go eat it at melting pot if you got one. Otherwise, I'll put the details in the description if you are gonna comment and ask me then.
It's tasting so good. The bread, the cheese. Ah. So good. Also, broccoli. Just dip it here. There's some salad here. Which one? California, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
And Caesar salad.
And the third course, I guess, after the salad is all this deliciousness.
There's 12.
The third course is dessert. So we have all Rice Krispies, marshmallows, strawberry, brownie, pound cake, and chocolate in here.
Guys, this guy is sleeping with Mamu, so we got to have a little fun. Elliot and I were playing tickle fingers. Yeah? You had fun? Yeah? And now we are heading out. Look at all the dessert we had. It's almost gone. I see somebody sneaking one. Caught on camera. Alright guys, we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys enjoyed some Super Bowl. And we're gonna head back home and see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye!